Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for coming back and checking out another Mystery Box Friday. But today we don't have necessarily a normal mystery box filled with sneakers. We actually have one that is filled with hype stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it right after this. So today we do have a $1,000 mystery box from Soul Steals, but this is not just a normal beater box or mystery box, it is a hype box. Hype meaning usually it's filled with clothes like brands like Bape, Supreme, V-Lone, and other hype brands. Sometimes there's shoes in it, not always. But I did spend $1,000 plus a little extra, so I think I spent a total of like around $1,150 for this box. I particularly did this because you guys requested it, because when I said, should I buy a hype box, you guys were like, yes. So give me a thumbs up, give me a subscribe, give me a like, or share this content, because throwing $1,150 into a mystery box that I have no idea knowing if it's good or bad, plus I don't even deal with hype stuff. Like I don't really deal with Supreme or Bape. I mean, I might dabble in Cause and some other stuff like that, but I'm not very big on selling Supreme and Bape. It's just not my market. And so I'm doing this box more for you guys, bringing you guys some good content, so make sure to show some love. But as we dig into this box, there is gonna be a counter right over here that will tell us the current market value of these items. So I'm gonna do my best. As I said, this is not my forte. I'm going to try my best to see what the value is for these pieces, and they'll all be for sale on my Instagram. When it's all said and done, we're going to take the final value of the whole box, subtract it from the cost, giving us a total profit margin. So we're gonna see how much we can make off this box and see if this box is worth it. So let's go ahead and dig straight in. I also want to mention that I am doing a giveaway right now. I'm teaming up with the homie Soul Advantage. It is on Instagram, so make sure to check us out so that way you can win a $300 dream shoe. Whatever shoe you want, $300, it can be yours. So go ahead and check that out. Don't forget to sign up. But here is a little sneak peek. All right, there's not much of a sneak peek, but I mean, you can see a backpack and a mask, and everything else is kind of hidden. So let's see what's in here. So the first thing out is a bathing Mape face mask. So this is honestly pretty cool, just because, you know, COVID and everything. But you do have a face mask right here. I don't think I'm gonna do any close-ups for today, just kind of putting the stuff right here in front of you. So it is a bathing Mape mask. It is sealed, brand new, very colorful. And so I would wear this, but I'm not a big fan of white stuff, just because I get white dirty really easily. So I'm pretty sure this will be a pretty one. This one, honestly, I think can sell pretty well. So definitely not mad at a Bape mask. I don't know how much they go for. I'm guessing around $100, which is expensive for a mask, but who knows? The hype is real. So we do have a Palace bag. So Palace is actually a low-key brand that I mean, it's not that low-key, but I would prefer to wear Palace stuff over Supreme stuff because it is a skateboard brand, but it hasn't gone mainstream, so it does, I'm more enticed to wear this. And it's a backpack. I've been looking for a new backpack, so this one might honestly stay in the personal, but if not, I might post it up for sale. So this is definitely an interesting bag. It looks very basic, and let's see. It does have a laptop case on the inside, so for any of you college students or high school students, well, actually any of you students right now, because everyone's using laptops now, this could definitely be a good backpack for you. But also, why would you need a backpack? Because where are you going? I mean, let's just be real. Let's just be real. I know some of you guys probably can still go to school, but I know for most of us, it's just been online. So this is definitely just a piece to wear whenever you do have a chance to go out. So let's see what else is in here. So we do have something purple. Do not know what this is. It says Supreme on it. I don't know if you guys could see that, but it is a Supreme shirt. I am not sure what kind of shirt this is. It looks like a creepy smiley face. So you do have a Supreme shirt. It is a size large. So I know most Supreme shirts that are just basic designs like this usually go for probably around like 60 to 80 bucks being brand new. So if anyone's interested in this, you guys know to hit me up. So I do see that there are a ton of anti-social social club. I'm just gonna say ASSC. So I'm not gonna open this bag up. Well, I feel like I'm gonna have to, but I think I saw this one in someone else's bag. I think this is the Wave shirt. So it does have a picture of a wave in the anti-social or the ASSC logo. And I'm pretty sure it's just this logo, but just really big on the back. So I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but it is a Wave logo. I don't think these do super crazy either. I know that these are probably at 100 or a little under 100 bucks right there. So there's one t-shirt. It is a size large. This actually looks like a collab. Yes. So this is a ASSC neighborhood collaboration. So you guys can see the neighborhood logo, which is a skull with the crossbones, and then you have your normal ASSC logo on the front. So this is a pink one. It is a size large, so if you guys want that, you guys know where to find it. One more, hopefully this is the last ASSC. This is another neighborhood collab. This one is the same exact shirt but in white, black, and gray. So it's definitely a lot, at least this one's a lot cleaner. This one's a little bit more enticing for me to wear, even though, like I said, I'll sometimes wear white shirts, not always, but it's just, I feel like I got a curse. Whenever I wear a white shirt, I always end up eating spaghetti that day or eating something that just has a potential of leaving a stain. So we do have another size large shirt. Woo! I just got super excited. All right, so we do have, oh, these are the sweatpants too. Nice. So I do mess with essential stuff. I like essential stuff. So this is probably just a size too big for me though. These are a size large. It is a pair of sweatpants with cream drawstrings and the cream writing right here on the pant leg. So these are an older season, but they are brand new with the tags. And so I know older stuff like this does go for more. I do like that there is a back pocket right here. Just because most sweatpants don't really have back pockets, and that's kind of frustrating. So this one is definitely a good piece to have. So I am happy with this. Let's see what else is in here. So we have another ASSC. I feel like they've just dumped all of this stuff on me, which was kind of my fear of getting this box, just because I don't really know the market for this, and I'm not the biggest fan of this. Just personally, it's just not me. If you guys like it, that's awesome. Hopefully you guys can buy this stuff off me. But we do have another size large. It's blue, it's like almost like a bubblegum blue, and it has like pink right here with a little logo. And I'm assuming that this is the same logo that is on the back. So 4 items left. So right here we do have a off-white belt. So I know these are doing, I think they do pretty decent. I've never really owned an off-white piece except for shoes. So I guess this one we can take out the bag. It's not that bad. It's just a belt. So you do have a bright blue belt right here, and it does have tags and everything in here. Now, is this brand new? I don't know. Now the tags are in here, but I don't know if that means that it's used or not used, because they are not attached to the belt. I don't know if they come attached or not, but it looks like it might have been used slightly. So hopefully you guys can see that there is off-white branding all across the belt. I hope I'm doing this right. So you can see it all across the belt. And the reason why I think it's used is because I don't know if you guys can see, but right here, there is some chipping on this part, which is probably where they would tie the belt piece. And even back here on this, there is some chipping on this blue piece. So I do think this one's used, but I don't know how much these go for. I know Off-White is an expensive brand. We do have also this Supreme item, and it is a small box logo beanie, but on the back side it actually says head office and all this stuff in Tokyo. So maybe this is a region exclusive type of thing, but this one says Tokyo Office Supreme, and then the front has a small little BOGO with the New Era logo on the side. This one is brand new. It still has tags right here. And it also looks like it came from StockX. So we do have 2 items left. We're getting to the bottom of this box. It was jam-packed for such a small box. But over here we do have a Supreme hoodie. So I'm okay getting Supreme hoodies just because I know that they do well. This is brand new and it is a size large. I don't know what this is called though, but it does say Supreme and it has this big picture right here. And the color is like it's pretty much white. I almost feel like it's it is labeled white, so I'll just say it's white. I wouldn't say it's like bright white like this t-shirt. It's kind of got like just a small like eggshell cream white on it, so it's not pure white. It does have a little tint to it. So this is cool. It looks like a picture of, I don't even know, I just see a girl with eyes and some bird figure type thing, but I do like that it says Supreme across right here. So this one did have a high retail price though of 148 pounds. It's called the Dove's hooded sweatshirt, so hopefully this goes for a lot. I don't know, but I will have it for sale because I'm not gonna wear this just because I'm not, like I said, super big into Supreme. So it's not that I don't like Supreme. I love skateboarding and I love skateboard brands. It's just, for me, I do think Supreme is just kind of everywhere, and I do like my pieces to be a little bit more subtle or a little bit more like low key. That's just like how I like to dress myself. I'm not the biggest hype beast. I do like hype stuff, but if anything, like what shirt I really want is actually that Palace. It's a Palace like Apple tee. So it's kind of like playing off the Apple logo, but it's on the Palace shirt. Like that shirt's super sick to me. I should have bought that when I had the chance. But the last item is what I'm super excited about. These, I love the pants I already have. A little mad that these are a size large, but we do have a pair of the Nike Fear of God sweatpants, which honestly is so sick. So you do have the Nike logo here. This is the gray colorway. It is brand new as the tags are still attached right here and they feel brand new. So definitely a piece I'm super excited. It still has all of the buttons right here. So I have the black pair that just came out and I love them so much. They're so comfy. Sadly, these are a size large. I'm gonna see if I can make them fit, but if not, I know these will go for a good amount. They were already on the rise in price, but now that Jerry has left Nike, I wonder what the market is on these. So man, this is a very interesting box because I have no idea how to price. I know that the Supreme items are probably gonna be pretty good, but all the antisocial stuff, I wonder how those will do. Over here, we do have the counter and it has been counting every item and the market value. I'm pretty sure I'm pretty shocked at some of these, but here's the main total of the entire box. All right, so we're gonna subtract the cost of the box that I paid for, and we are left with a total amount of profit right here. So I don't know if I should be happy, mad, upset, excited, confused, whatever emotions, I don't know. But I do know that I was excited to see those Nike Fear of God sweatpants and also those Essential sweatpants because those I'm a little bit more comfortable with, and I know that they'll sell because Essentials is super popular right now. Let me know your thoughts about this box. Would you buy a hype box from Soul Steals? Was it worth it? You do get to, I don't know why I said size large for everything because I literally picked a size large. I'm so dumb. So that's why everything was a size large. So everything in here is a size large. If you are a size large, please shop with me. Over here, I'm gonna have a box grade. I'm gonna do this a little differently. The box grade is going to be based off of the profit range. I can't complain about the size range, so that's just kind of neutral. But also like, I guess just the general hype of it because it's a hype box. I feel like in that sense, it's like a B, maybe. I'm hyped about the other stuff except for the antisocial stuff, but that's just me being biased. So for someone else, I'm pretty sure this box would be awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. I hope I gave you guys something fun to watch over the weekend. Thank you for all the support, and we'll see you guys on next week's episode. Peace.